Hey, what's going on, you guys? Joshua Elder here with yet another video for you. Today, I'm going to be showing you how I make over $700 per week using and leveraging the Clickbank affiliate marketing platform. So before we begin, I've got a giveaway that I'm doing where I'm giving a lucky subscriber $1,000 at random. And all you have to do on every video is, number one, like the video, smash that like button, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and then tick that bell icon to be notified of all future videos that I upload when I upload them and also when I go live, because this channel is all about helping you build a life and business full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. And then lastly, make sure that you put a unique, relevant comment to the content in this video. You do those steps and you're entered into this $1,000 giveaway that will send straight to your PayPal account, or we'll figure out a way if you don't have a PayPal account, so don't worry. So without further ado, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, tick the bell icon, and even share this. Why not? And let's go ahead and let's dive into the content. So we're at the good old clickbank.com website. And we're going to start by logging in. Okay, first off, before we do that, if you do not have a Clickbank account, you can simply go to clickbank.com and you can click on sign up in the top right hand corner. Just fill out this information. It's 100% free to join. They pay out every week on time, so you know that this is a legitimate site, and they've been around for a couple decades as well. And I've never personally ever missed a payment from Clickbank. So with that being said, let's go back and let's log in and let's show you guys the results. So we're going to click the login button right here, and boom, here we are logged into the Clickbank account. You can see my username is here, and as we scroll down, you can see we're in a brand new week right now. A new week starts every Wednesday, as you can see right here. Today, of course, is October 22nd. The previous week, we did $700. Week before, $843. Week before that, $755, and then $635. The average of this is roughly $700 per week that I've been generating automatically from leveraging this three-step system I'm about to show you. So you guys ready for step number one? Step number one is to build an audience around a specific niche. A niche is simply just a group of people that have similar problems. So my specific niche that I went into, and that my YouTube channel, this channel that you're on right now, is based around, is helping people make money online. Okay, so the make money online niche is an amazing niche that you can go into. There's many other niches, and the way that you can figure out whether a niche is profitable or not is simply just go to Google and then just type in a topic. So we can go ahead and we can type in rosacea treatment, for example, right? We type in rosacea treatment as the niche, which is in kind of the healthcare skin market, and you can see these ads at the top. If there are ads at the top, that's an indication a lot of money is being spent, therefore the niche is in demand. So you can simply just type in any topic into Google. You can also just go to Clickbank and then go to the marketplace itself, and then everything is sorted by categories, kind of themes, and then within each of these themes you have different specific niche topics or niches. Okay, so like health and fitness is right here. We can go ahead and click on that. And you can see this first product is ranked number one at the very top, pays out $154.01. And by the way, you can click on this promote button right here, enter your account nickname, click on generate hop links, and this is the link that you would share around on the internet. I'm going to show you exactly how I share my links here in just a second. But you can see if we actually go through the sales page of this specific product, you can just click right here to go through the sales page. You can also learn more about the product by going to the affiliate page right here. But you really want to know, we know that it's in the health market, but a market is obviously a bigger group of people. A niche is within a specific market. So if we're talking about the health market, it could be skin health, right? And rosacea could be the niche. It could be intermittent fasting to help lose weight. So it could be in the weight loss niche, so on and so forth. So watching this video and observing what this product is all about, if we click on buy now, for example, you could probably come to the conclusion that this is a weight loss product because you can see powerful detox formula, as it says right here. Let me zoom in. Supports metabolism and promotes weight loss. Okay, so you know that this is really just within the weight loss niche. And most of these products at the top are within the weight loss niche. And once again, you can go to the affiliate pages of these and you can observe and learn what the product is about. And more often than not, if there's a good quality affiliate page, it's actually going to give you lots of resources to promote the product. So for example, if we fill out this affiliate form right here, I'm just going to add my ID. I guess this is where you can generate the hop link as well. If you want to add a tracking ID, that just shows you where the sales are coming from. So you could put YouTube, research review. That could be the video that I'm creating a review around to promote the specific product as an example. And then, oh yeah, we got to agree to the terms and service, as you can see here. Okay. And then generate hop link. We can click on generate hop link and you can see that it's also right here. So that's just another way to get your hop link other than the way that we showed you on Clickbank. So sometimes these affiliate pages will allow you to do that there. And then you can fill out your information here. I can put my name, my last name, and I can put my email address right here. And then it will send me, once I click subscribe, it will send me the login details to the Affiliate Resources Center. Okay. So once we do that, we've got this disclaimer right here, but I want to see if it'll lead me straight towards the materials, which unfortunately it doesn't. I'll have to go in my inbox. I don't want to waste too much time doing that because I want to get to the point. Let's go ahead and let's check out this other one right here that we were previously looking at. And let's see if it allows us to get instant access. Okay, I'm just going to click our information here. I'm not going to worry about the Clickbank ID for now, just for speed of showing you guys this tutorial here. So this is really cool. Right here, you can create your affiliate links. You got product information. So this is really going to tell you what niche this product is in. You've got banners. You've got product images. And by the way, when you jump up to the product information, it's going to tell you exactly what the product solves, what it does, what the purpose of it is. And that's something that's important to know as well. Then you have keywords. Keywords are really cool because keywords are essentially search phrases that are being typed into Google or YouTube search engine. We're going to talk about that in just a second. And we can actually rank for specific search terms, aka once again, keywords that anybody, any consumer would be typing in to find this specific product here. So if I click here, it's downloaded the keyword list for me. I'm going to pull it up in my other window. I'm going to drag it right over here. And we don't want to sign in or create an account. We want to go back. It looks like it might not let me do this, which, hey, that's technology sometimes, but it will let me view this. So I want to see if I can make this maybe a little bit wider, which it won't let me do because it's not giving me the purpose to go ahead and edit, but that's okay. But what you can see here is various search terms that people would be typing in with a given search volume into YouTube or into Google search engine. So this is really cool. This actually says, because I've been able to view these keywords before, like this says Kelly Clarkson weight loss. You can actually see it up right here. And this gets 10,000 searches per month into Google. So if we create a video, if we create a piece of content around Kelly Clarkson weight loss, we can rank that at the top of Google with a video or with an article, get traffic to it, then put our affiliate links from Clickbank in the article or below the video. People click, they buy, we earn a commission. So we can create pieces of content around all of these different search terms that we have right here. We got Rachel Ray weight loss. We've got a quick weight loss center. We got ICD-10 code for weight loss. We got Coochie Man weight loss. We've got lots of different key phrases, over 100 pieces of content or videos that we can go out there and create and promote our affiliate links. Okay. So let's get into the actual promotion side of things. Okay. And this is where when you pick a product on Clickbank, right, you want to make sure that it's a product that has good product images, has good product information, has banners, has even email swipes if you choose to do email marketing, which is one of the methodologies that you can use. But the key here, you guys, is to build an audience first. Okay. It's good to know a product that you're going to be promoting. But if you promote a product and you go out there and you try to spam an affiliate link across the internet, no one is going to buy from you. So a lot of people make the mistake of choosing the product first and thinking that the product is their business. It's good to have the product in the back of your mind, but what you want to do is pick a niche first, as I showed you, and build an audience around that niche, again, with the product to promote in mind, and spend the first 90 days of your business just building up that audience in that specific niche. Okay. So there's different ways that you guys can go ahead and you can do that. You can build a niche using platforms like Reddit, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Google. So the key here really is to just simply pick one of these strategies and spend the next few years building an audience. Yes, the next few years building an audience. Okay, your income will be in direct proportion. What you make will be in direct proportion to how large your audience is and also how much value that you give to the marketplace. You see, people make the mistake when it comes to affiliate marketing thinking that it's just a lottery ticket. Affiliate marketing does take time. It takes effort. You have to gain people's trust. You have to understand when you go to a car dealership, you don't just buy a car oftentimes on the first go unless it's a really good salesperson or unless it's somebody that you actually know, like, and trust. So to think you promoting a Clickbank product that people are just going to buy right off the bat, you are mistaken. It can take time. Yes, you will have a few people that buy the first time, but most people need numerous exposures, which means you need to be putting up many different articles, many different YouTube videos, sending out many different emails, which is also another way to get traffic and build an audience, is through what's called solo ad marketing. And I didn't mention it right here, but solo ad marketing, you can actually purchase somebody else's or rent somebody else's email list and build your own email list, which is simply a list of email subscribers in which you can send emails and offers to those on demand and earn commissions. But again, you don't just want to spam your affiliate links. You want to make sure that you build goodwill, you build know, like, and trust in your emails, you give some value in your emails, and mix those emails with promotions. Okay? So step number 2, of course, step number 1 is pick a niche. And within step number 1, you want to have a product in that mind. Okay. And step number 2 is to start building an audience. So the way that I build an audience is through YouTube. Obviously, that's why you're on this video right now. At the time of the creation of this video, we have over 74,000 subscribers. And if you guys are getting value so far, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, please. And then tick that bell icon. And also you'll be entered for that $1,000 giveaway if you complete all the steps that I explained in the beginning of this video. Okay, so what I want to do now is I want to explain a little bit about YouTube. And also there might be a card that pops up somewhere right here that will go in a little bit more depth about how to start making money with what's called piggyback marketing. I mentioned it in the previous video that I uploaded, and it's a great tutorial on how to start generating an income from YouTube in the next 24 to 48 hours using and leveraging the piggyback marketing methodology. But in a nutshell, essentially what we're doing, if we go to YouTube and let's say, I was to type in, my niche, of course, is make money online. So what I would do is I would brainstorm, what would people be typing in to YouTube to learn about making money online? Okay, it could be how to start a home business. It could be, affiliate marketing is a way to make money from home. So we can just put affiliate marketing for beginners. And the goal would be to create a piece of content and position it at the top of YouTube that's based around teaching people how to start an affiliate marketing business as a complete beginner. So essentially, let's just pretend this is my video, okay? And I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna click on this video right here. And what we wanna do, of course, is give value in the video. And then at the end of the video, we tell people to click the link in the description below if they wanna know more. And then in the description, that's where I place my affiliate links. Let me show you an example. I'm gonna go ahead and go over to my channel right now. And then I'm gonna click on my channel name here. We're gonna go to videos. And then I'm gonna go over to, for example, this video right here. This is what's called a case study video, okay? So there's a few different ways that you can start generating views from YouTube. You can do things like case study videos, you can do product review videos, and you can also model other successful YouTube videos that are already out there. So in this case, we just did a case study video. And then in the description, I've got a link. This is actually a tracking link that goes straight to a Clickbank product. Boom, right here. So when somebody opts in, they enter their name and email address, they decide to buy, then boom, that's where I'm making this money right here. So let me show you another example on how I model videos. If I go to youtube.com and I made a video back in 2019 that was Clickbank for Beginners 2019. And I saw all these other videos. Number one, I'm like, okay, let's see if this search term, this keyword, in other words, gets a lot of views. So I looked at other people's videos based around this topic, and I noticed they were getting tens of thousands of views. And I'm like, okay, let's go ahead and look at their videos, see what they're talking about, take what I know about Clickbank or what I've learned. And by the way, if you haven't yet checked out that video on piggyback marketing, I actually show you how to structure the video and what to say in a video, even if you have no knowledge in a specific niche. So make sure that you check that out above or below this video. Nonetheless, I just simply model some of the content. I model the framework, the title, inject some of my own content, and boom, check this out. This video right here, 1 year ago, 297,000 views. Okay, Clickbank for Beginners 2019, how to make a consistent $10,000 a month. So after I put up the video, once again, I post an affiliate link in the description and I make money. And then I just simply rinse and repeat. I go for another keyword, create another piece of content, put an affiliate link in the description, and make sure that video and that affiliate link to that affiliate product is all relevant. And then that's where the affiliate product becomes important. But you can't worry about too much about picking the right affiliate product. It's all about picking the right niche and then building an audience with that niche. And even if you don't pick the right affiliate product at first, that's okay, because now you have an audience, you have a subscriber base or an email list you can then sell other products to. So with that said, I hope you got value from this video. If you did, let me know by liking this video, commenting below. And if you want to learn more about how to build an affiliate marketing business, an online business using Clickbank or any other affiliate marketing platform from complete scratch, go ahead and click the links in the description for a little bit more details. And if you want to be a part of the $1,000 giveaway, I'm going to select a lucky subscriber. Make sure that number one, you like this video, you subscribe to the channel, you tick the bell icon, you put a unique comment below, and you check out the resources below for more information. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is Josh Elder signing out, and we'll see you in the next one.